Here's a video recording of the words that were presented on September 22nd. I'm going to say them twice, and I won't be saying the English words this time, as you have the audio tape for that. So the first word, nłeʔkepmxcin, jitu, jitu, tsald, Zanmin, nłeʔkepmxcin, Shreep, Homel, Hani, Genem, Gatlash, Gwanda, Gwanj, very similar, but they're two different words. The K apostrophe, kept, K apostrophe with the raised W, Gwanesh, L, lishek, and the other sample word for that, lecht. Lcht is the L apostrophe. It's not a very common word. There's no example for the L dot, which is to be expected because it's a rare sound. Then the barred L, or the slurpy L, that is tlipsham, and the second word, nłeʔkepmxcin. The glottalized barred lambda, or the running man, nlweʔkepmxcin, M, menached, M apostrophe, in, N, niwa, necht, N apostrophe, in desh. The P, which sounds B-ish, bechem, P apostrophe, which is the akam, Shea for the S, which is a sh sound, Shea, and next to it, shema. Notice the at the end of it. It's not shema, but shema. And then S dot, sout, and the second one, sol. The S dot means that your tongue is lowered and it's further back in your mouth. T, which sounds like a D, duped. And the T apostrophe, a rare nłeʔkepmx sound, is common in nłeʔkepmx and nłeʔkepmx, but less common in nłeʔkepmx. So that's why I don't have a sample of it in the initial position. And then the theta, it's usually in other parts of the word, so I don't have an example here. W, nłeʔkepmxcin, wucht, and then W apostrophe, nłeʔkepm. I might have to get someone else to record that one. X, which is a cha'a. The next one, hitlich. X raised W, whapbeat. X dot, chazum, and X raised W with a dot, nłeʔkepmx. I'm just saying that arbitrarily because I can't remember what I put on the sheet, and the one I have doesn't have an example. Y, yemid, Y apostrophe, ia. Some people are going to have slight variation on that Y apostrophe. Z, zuid, zouten, Z apostrophe, zoots, need someone else to record that one too. The fringal, op, and otstesh, and the fringal with a raised W, woyin, and woyip, and the fringal with an apostrophe, azupsh, and the fringal with apostrophe and the raised W, okun. Homer, juk again. Okay, I'm done now.